Stop scrolling. Seriously, stop. The clock is ticking right now. And in the time it took me to say that, someone just made $27 online. What if I told you that by the time this video ends, you could know exactly how they did it? Let's be real for a second. The whole 9-to-5 grind, it's broken. You're trading your precious time for a fixed paycheck, dealing with that soul-crushing commute, the office politics. It's an outdated pattern. You feel stuck, right? You want freedom. You want to get paid for the hours you actually work, from the comfort of your own home, maybe even in your pajamas. I get it. But guess what? That old pattern, that old way of thinking, it ends today. Right here, right now. We are interrupting that program. In the next few minutes, I'm going to give you the 5 best websites for 2025 that pay you by the hour. I'm not talking about by the project, or by some random task. I mean by the hour. This is the solution you've been looking for to take back control of your time and, more importantly, your income. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Okay, let's get straight to it. Website number 1. I call this the skill seller. Think of platforms like Upwork or the pro sections of Fiverr. Are you struggling to find clients who actually value your skills and are willing to pay what you're worth? This is your answer. These platforms connect you with clients from all over the globe who need your expertise and are happy to pay for it on an hourly basis. Whether you're a graphic designer, a writer, a video editor, or a programmer, you get to set your own rate. You use their built-in tools to track your time, and you get paid for every single minute you work. No more guesswork, no more scope creep. The biggest benefit here. Your specialized skill finally gets the hourly price tag it deserves. You're no longer just trading time. You're selling high-value expertise, one billable hour at a time. It's about getting paid what you're truly worth. Now, what if you're thinking, but I don't have a specialized skill like that? Don't worry, I've got you. Website number 2 is what I call the microtask payer, and it's perfect for you. Think of sites like Amazon Mechanical Turk or Clickworker. These platforms are brilliant because they take massive projects and break them down into tiny, manageable, hourly paid tasks. The work is often simple stuff like data entry, image tagging, or short transcriptions. The barrier to entry is incredibly low, meaning you can sign up and potentially start earning within the next hour. No kidding. The main benefit, this is the easiest, most accessible on-ramp to making money online. It's perfect for beginners who just want to get their feet wet and prove to themselves that yes, you can actually earn real money from your computer without any prior experience. It's a fantastic starting point. Alright, moving on to website number 3. This is for those of you who want the freedom of remote work but also crave the stability of a traditional job. I call this the corporate remote hub. I'm talking about job boards like Remote, Co or FlexJobs. These aren't gig platforms. They are curated lists of legitimate, remote, hourly jobs from real, established companies. You'll find roles like customer service representatives, data entry clerks, and virtual assistants, all with set hourly wages. The benefit here is huge. You get the stability and security of a corporate paycheck, often with benefits but without the nightmare of the daily commute. You get to work from home, have a steady income, and be part of a team. It's the best of both worlds, combining the structure of a traditional job with the flexibility of remote life. Ready for number 4? This one is a goldmine if you have knowledge in a specific subject or are a native English speaker. Welcome to the tutoring tunnel. Platforms like Cambly or Tutor.com are booming right now. These sites pay you by the minute or by the hour to tutor students from all over the world, or simply to have conversations with people who are practicing their English. If you're an expert in math, science, history, or any other school subject, you can connect with students who need your help. If you're a native English speaker, you can get paid just to chat. It's incredible. The biggest benefit, you're literally getting paid to talk and share what you already know. It's social, it's incredibly rewarding, and it can be surprisingly lucrative, especially if you build a good reputation. It's a fun way to monetize your knowledge and communication skills. And for our final website, number 5. This one is a true hidden gem. I call it the beta tester. Think of a site like usertesting.com. This is one of the coolest side hustles out there. Companies will pay you a very handsome hourly rate to simply use their new website or app and speak your thoughts out loud as you navigate it. That's it. You click around, you say what you're thinking. This button is confusing. I like this layout. I can't find the search bar. And you get paid. No special experience is needed. All they want is your honest, unfiltered opinion. The benefit here is clear. It's high pay for very short, engaging tasks. A typical test might only take 20 minutes, but it pays as if you worked a full hour. It honestly feels more like a fun break than actual work, but it pays like a real job. It's an amazing way to earn extra income just by sharing your perspective. So, there you have it. The skill seller, the microtask payer, the corporate remote hub, the tutoring tunnel, and the beta tester. Your brain is now officially aware of these 5 powerful pathways to earning an hourly wage online. The old pattern, the one where you feel underpaid and overworked, has been interrupted. But here's the most important part. Knowledge without action is just noise. It's entertainment. It doesn't change your life. The YouTube algorithm is testing you right now. It's showing this video to people who it thinks are genuinely ready for a change. If you are one of them, if you feel that spark inside you, you need to send a clear signal back. Here's how you do it. Click the subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Do it right now. Why? Because tomorrow, I am dropping a brand new video that reveals the one simple phrase you can use to potentially double your hourly rate on these very sites. It's a game changer, and you will not want to miss it. Don't let this just be another video you watched. Let this be the one that started it all. Subscribe now, and let's transform your next hour and your future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.